Good morning, children. Today our topic is descending order. Already you have learned ascending order. Ascending order means arranging the numbers from smaller number to bigger number. But here now we are learning descending order. Descending order means bigger number to smaller number. Arranging bigger number to smaller number. Ulta, fulta. See, ascending order, smaller number to bigger number. And here reverse, descending order, bigger number to smaller number. See, for ascending order, when you are writing the numbers, you are writing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that. You are increasing the order. But here in descending order, you are decreasing the order. See here, for example, 9. 9 is the biggest number. 9 after 8. 8 after 7. 7 after 6. 6 after 5. 5 after 4. 4 after 3. 3 after 2. 2 after 1. 1 after 0. Is it clear, children? In ascending order, you are arranging smaller number to bigger number. But coming to descending order, you have to arrange the numbers from bigger number to smaller number. Big number to small number. Is it clear, children? Now see here. 4. See, in the same way, how we have written ascending order by writing one number, one box, then keep one dot, leave one box. In the same way, descending order also you have to write. 6, 2, 9. See here, 4, 6, 2, 9. Now you have to arrange these numbers in descending order. See here, for ascending order you are writing AO. AO means ascending order. Now you are writing descending order. DO. DO. DO means descending order. So now in descending order you have to see the big number. Out of all these numbers, which is the big number you have to see. Here 4, 6, 2, 9. Which is the big number? 9. 9 is the big number. So in the same way you circle here 1 above 9. And after 9, which is the next big number? See here. Here also you can see here 9, 8, 7, 6. Next number is 6. So keep 2 number above 6. 6 after next, which is the biggest number? 4. So write 3 above 4 number. And the last remaining is 2. 4 here. Now you can arrange by seeing this order. DO, descending order. So which is the biggest number? 9. So write 9. Keep one dot and leave one box. Then which is the next one? 6. Again after writing 6, keep one dot and leave one box. And the next one is 4. Again keep one dot and leave one box. And the last one is 2. See, now here you have arranged in descending order. Big number to small number. Is it clear, children? Now see here. 84, 26, 53, 15. Now you have to arrange these numbers in descending order. So now which one you have to see? Big number. So first, in the same way how you have underlined for the ascending order numbers, first number, if the first number is same, then you are seeing the second number. If the second number is also same, you are seeing the third number. In the same way for descending order also you can see here. 8, 2, 5, 1. All numbers are different. So out of these numbers you can identify which is the big number. So out of these, which is the big number? 84. 8 is the big number. So 1 on the top of 84. After 84, which is the next biggest number? 5. 5, 3, 53 is the next biggest number. 2. Next, which is the next biggest number after 53? 5. See the first number, 5. 5 after next biggest number? 2. So write here 3. 2, 6, 26 is the third biggest number. And the last remaining is 15. 1. So write here 4. Sorry. 4. So DO descending order. DO descending order. So 84 is the first biggest number. Then keep one dot, leave one box. 84 after, which is the second one? 53. Again keep one dot and leave one box. Next, which is the biggest number? 26. And the last one is 50. See, from big number to small number. 8, 5, 2, 1. Is it clear, children? Now see another example. 632, 435, 265, 832. Now see here. 632, 435, 265, 832. See here. First number is 6. First number is 4. First number is 2. First number is 8. So all are different numbers. Now we have to see which is the biggest number. 8 is the biggest number. So on the top of 832, keep one number. Then 8 after 7. 8 before 7. 7 before 6. 6 is the next biggest number. So write here 2 on top of 632. Next, 632 after 6 before 5. 5, see here, 6 before 5. 5 before 4. So 4 is the next biggest number. So write 3 here. And the last remaining is 265. So now here, DO descending order. Now here, which is the biggest number? First number is 832. Again keep one dot and leave one box. Next biggest number is 632. Again keep one dot and leave one box. Next biggest number is 435. Again keep one dot and leave one box. And the last fourth one is 265. Is it clear, children? See here. This is descending order. Descending order. DO. DO means descending order. Descending order means arranging the number from big number to small number. Arranging numbers from big number to small number. See how we have arranged and underlined the first number in ascending order. In the same way, for descending order also, you have to underline the numbers. 635, 631, 639, 630. Now see here. 6, 6, 6, 6. All the first numbers are same. If the first numbers are same, see the second number. 3, 3, 3, 3. Again, all the second numbers are also same. When the second number is also same, see the next number, third number. 5, 1, 9, 0. See, 5, 1, 9, 0. After, in a 5, 1, 9, 0. Out of all these numbers, which is the big number? 9 is the big number. So 639 is the biggest number. So write 1 above 639. And after 639, which is the next biggest number? See, 9 before 8. 8 is there? No. 8 before 7. 7 before 6. 6 before 5. So the next biggest number is 635. So keep 2 on 635. Then next biggest number 1. Keep 3 on 631. And the last one is 0. So 630 is the fourth biggest number. Now here DO descending order. See, what is the first one? 639. After writing 639, keep one dot and leave one box. Next biggest number, second one is 635. And the next biggest number is, third one is 631. And the next biggest number is 630. The remaining last one is 630. Is it clear, children? See here. 639, 635, 631 and 630. Big number to small number. See another example. 749, 782, 735, 760, 26, 726. 749, 782, 735, 726. See here. 7, 7, 7, 7. Same numbers. See the second number. 4, 8, 3, 2. Second numbers are different. See here. Here second numbers are same. So you have seen the third number. But here second numbers are different. So now 4, 8, 3, 2. Out of 4, 8, 3, 2, which is the biggest number? 8 is the biggest number. So 782 is the biggest number. So keep one and circle above 782. And which is the next biggest number? 4, 3, 2. See here. 4 is the next biggest number. Here 8 after 7, 6, 5, 4 is the next biggest number. So circle 2 above 749. Afterwards 735. 3 above 735. And here last one is 2. So circle 4 above 726. So DO, descending order. Which is the first one? 782. And which is the next biggest number? 749. After writing here also keep one dot and leave one box. And the next third one is 735. And the last remaining is 726. 782, 749, 735, 726. Is it clear, children? Now next. 400, 300, 600, 100. See, now you have to arrange 400, 300, 600, 100 in descending order. Now here 4, 3, 6, 1. All are different. So out of this, which is the biggest number? 6 is the biggest number. So above 600, write 1 and circle. And the next second biggest number? 4. So write 2 above 400 and circle that number. And the next biggest number? 3. So write here 3 and circle. And the last remaining one is 1. So write here 4. Now you arrange all these numbers by seeing the numbers you have written above. So which is the biggest number here? 600. Keep one dot, leave one box. Next after second one is 400. Again keep one dot and leave one box. Then the next one is 300. And the last fourth one is remaining is 100. Is it clear, children? 600, 400, 300, 100. Big number to small number. Descending order. Arranging numbers from big number to small number. I hope you have understood this topic. See the video, see the PDF and write in your class workbook neatly. Thank you.